Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and enable bell notification to never miss an update from us.
Hello friends, welcome to Entry. I, Deepani Bhardwaj, welcome you all again. And today we are going to discuss a wonderful news for all the banking aspirants. But prior to that, if you all have not downloaded the Entry app yet, please download it so that you can be aware of all the important videos that are being uploaded there. Apart from that, you can also give the free mock test and all other tests which are important for your examinations. Fine. So now, the most important topic, what is that particular good news for all the banking aspirants? See, this is the news from the Gazette of India, that is Bharat Ka Rajpatra, in which we have received a very important news for you all. And what is it? See, this is from the Ministry of Defense. From the Ministry of Finance. Now, what we are told here, you can see that this particular news is from the 30th March 2021. So here we are given the name of the public sector banks and allocation of securities. Non-interest bearing, special to Government of India security 2031, non-interest bearing, non-transferable, Special Government of India Security 2032, non-interest bearing, non-transferable, Special Government of India Security 2033, then 2034, and then 2035, and similarly 2036. So what is it and why it is important for you? See, we all are in that particular phase where we are just thinking why government is going on for this privatization, isn't it? Now many of the students who are being given with the UCO Bank or the students who are selected in the Bank of India, they all are thinking that is their bank going to be in the safe hands, that is, will it be in the government's hand or it will be going into the private sector? Many of you are in the tension now, but here you can see that government has allotted some of the important funds, where you can see that for Central Bank of India, what is the amount allotted? It is 4800 amount that is allocated here. In the similar way, for the Indian Overseas Bank, the total amount that is allocated is 4100. For the Bank of India, total amount that is allocated is 3000. And in the similar way, for the UCO Bank, the total amount that is allocated is 2600. Now, if we'll talk about the maturing year, where this amount is actually in crores, isn't it? So it would be 4800 crores, it is 4100 crores, it is 3000 crores, it is 2600 crores, and we know that it is a huge amount. It is a very good amount. So what I want to say that, see, there are many protests that are going on. Many of the students are in the situational dilemma whether it is going to be in the government's hand or it is going to be in the private hands. So if you will take my point of view, then I'll say that in my opinion, this is a really very huge amount which is being given by the government, or which has given by the government. Now since government is using this much amount, I don't think so that you are going to be in the private sector. So from my opinion, you can see that there's a huge amount that is being allocated. Now since if it will be going in the private hands, I don't think so this much amount must have been allotted, isn't it? Now since this much amount is allocated, and that if we'll talk about the maturing year, you can see that here there is the amount that is being shown for the maturing for the year of 2031, for 2032, for 2033, and similarly for 34, 35, and 36. And this is the total amount that is being shown here. So from my point of view, I don't think so by seeing this particular news that you are going to be there in the private hands, isn't it? But since it is my point of view, I would also like to know your point of views as well. Are these particular things going to help in the government sector? That is, I just want to say that from this allocation, we can say that it is really a wonderful news. I don't think so that because of this allocation amount, they are going to send you in the private hands. No. But this is my point of view. Let us see what is your point of view. So I'll be waiting for you in the comment section. So let us wait for the next discussion. So okay then, take care, bye bye. But yeah, I'll be waiting you for you all in the comment section. Fine. So okay then, bye bye, take care.